So, hi guys, today I gonna teach you how to get Yama sword. First, you need to go to Castle of the Sea and go to this guy. If you're not subscribe, please subscribe to my channel, please. Go quest in this guy. You need to kill 30 elites. After you kill the 30 elites, how to find the location of Yama sword. Here you gonna find the location. Follow where I go. Alright. You follow where I go to find the Yama sword, guys. Go to this. Go to this. And if you finish the quest, you can get the Yama sword. This is the location of the Yama sword. You can destroy that door by saber or this dragon talon. Like this. This is the location of Yama sword, guys. Remember, if you not quest in that guy, you will not to get the Yama sword. You will die to get that sword. Okay guys, have a good day. Bye.